In this video, I will cover a Python script to extract the IP address from the log file where there is a 403 status code. So we have Apache log file where we have IP address in this column, and we want that we want to extract this IP address where there is a 403 status code. Okay, as you can see in the program execution which I run. So let me explain you how this program works. You will find this program on GitHub. Okay, so program execution will start from here, and here I have given log file path, and then this log file path I have passed on to this function. This function is find underscore 403 underscore IPS. This function purpose is to find the IP address where there is a 403 status code in the log file, and its output will be assigned to this IPS variable. Okay, now the program, when I defined here I have defined here this function here, and here I'm calling this function. Okay, so when the log file is passed on to this function, and inside the function I'm using re here I imported re stand for regular expression. I'm using a regular expression because I want to extract that IP addresses. Like here, this is a pattern which I use to extract the IP address. Like D here means the digit 0 to 9, and it is before dot, so it is, that's why I'm using 4 times, so that it will match that IP address pattern. And after that you can see 2 hyphen that is there in that logs, like these 2 hyphens, and after that this portion will do the job to go through this one, but it just simply ignoring that part. And this is a match with the 403, like here there is a 403 match, and dot star means anything after that. I mean there is a space after 403, like this is a space, and then there is anything after that, so it will ignore that. So this is a pattern which I have stored in this variable. Okay, then I have defined a set which is an empty set. This is the variable which will store the set of the values of IP address where there is a status 403. So I have opened the log file, and R means read mode, and I open as a file, so because I want to use under this condition, so I open with I use a keyword and then open function in the read mode, and then as a file. So I am looping through each line of the file, line by line, and then I match this pattern, and with this match function I use this is a pattern and this is a match, and match basically it requires a line line by line. It will require each line, and whatever, if the match is there, okay, if it is find the match, if the pattern is match, so then match will be get some output, and if that is true, I mean if the match is there, so then match dot group, I mean there is a one argument which is used to extract the IP address from that match. And this IP address I want to add to the to this set, because this is a set, right? So like that it will go one by one to all the lines, and where there is a match we will get that set of IP address where there is a 403 status code match. And this function is returning this variable set. It is returning set. Basically this IPS variable will get these values. And suppose if this IPS variable, which is a set of IP address with the 403 status match basically, and if there is a values are there, if the set is non-empty, So then this portion will be executed if condition, otherwise else. Suppose IPF there is no match found, then there is no, then this print statement will be printed. Otherwise, if there is a match, then this print statement, and by using for loop I'm printing that values of set. Okay, so I will execute once. So here you can see that a value. I can also just print out the set so that you will see that what's going on. So here I can see that this is a set, only one value is there inside the set, and this condition satisfied. Okay, it's true. So then this portion is completed. Suppose there is no 403, like there is 401. Now there is no 403, there is no pattern match. So now this set is empty. You can see there is nothing is there, and no 403 is found. Okay, and suppose there are two of them, like if I run it now you can see there are two values in the set, and here we will get that. Okay, suppose I want to change this pattern to something like warning. Okay, so now what will happen, we will see warning here 1 and 2. So these two IP address will be printed because the pattern is matched here. So you can see this IP address and this IP address. Okay, so if there is a error, then you can see there is only one item, I think, inside that. There is only one line, like this is the line single. So you will get this IP address. Okay, like that you can use this script and customize according to your requirement. Keep remember that you require this regular expression, then you need to open the file, then you need to match those criteria, and that's it. Thanks for watching.